All right, welcome to Surf and Turf Family Adventures. Just showing you a day in the life of being a woodshop teacher. Today is a day off for the entire school, but yesterday I got a local business gave me a bunch of wood, and then the kids are sorting through a whole bunch of other stuff. So the only way we can make woodshop work is through the help of businesses. So I just want to show you what it looks like, a day in the life of a day off for everybody else, but it's never a day off for a woodshop teacher.
Dad, is this too small?
It's perfect. So they're sorting through everything. Show you a little time lapse of them sorting through all the stuff, getting ready for making cutting boards with students here at school. Okay, today I'm going to be prepping for cutting boards for my students. I got my kids working on some smaller stuff, and I'm going to work on some bigger stuff today. So all these strips of wood, I'm going to cut them to about 16 inches, like roughly, and then I'm going to rip them to about 1.25 inches to 1.5 inches, and then we're going to put them all together and make cutting boards. The kids are fighting with each other now. And then load this cart. So what I do is I have this cart, this old TV cart. For those people that remember what a TV cart looks like, here we go. We got a 3-tiered cord. And so I repurposed this thing to hold different species of wood. So I'll put birch wood, which is what I'm working with. I'll put birch wood on top. So birch wood goes here, then maple, and then cherry wood. So I put those 3 species of wood on that TV cart, so when the kids come through, they grab their pieces of wood, and then we glue them together, clamp them, and go on from there. And I'll show kind of the process. Anyways, so in the meantime, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the long pieces, chop them down to size here, and then take the pieces over there, and then run them through. All right, so here's my process. All right, there's 2, and I got lots more to go. Show you a little time lapse, see what it looks like. whole bunch of it cut up. We got it stacked up. We got a plan. Do we got a plan? We're ready?
Yeah.
Okay, our plan is ready. Ow. That was a splinter. Stacked up, cut up, it's all ready to go. This is what the kids kind of make, so this is what the cutting boards look like. This is what it looks like right now. With the students projects. Hold on, there's a hair right there. Got it. I know I'm not doing it like the correct way. You know, you're supposed to use a joiner and all these special equipment to do that, but I don't have that equipment. And this way it makes pretty good cutting boards that I haven't had any problems with. And thanks to my kids for helping me sort it and stack it and move it and get it ready. Doing good over there? All right. Thanks for watching.